Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the router is on, and you have the SSID and password. Once done, open Settings using the Start menu or Win key. Navigate to Network and Internet, and make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is enabled so Windows can scan. This first step triggers the system to list nearby networks. Make sure your device's airplane mode is off and Bluetooth won't interfere. If Wi-Fi doesn't appear, try restarting the router and your PC before continuing to the next slide. Select your wireless network from the displayed list and click Connect. This is where accuracy matters, so pick the correct SSID and avoid similarly named hotspots. When prompted, type the Wi-Fi password exactly. Characters are case sensitive. Then optionally tick Connect automatically for future use. Windows negotiates security and assigns an IP, so wait until you see Connected and check properties for an IP4 address to confirm proper DHCP. If it stalls, toggle the network adapter off and on to retry the handshake. Once connected, open a browser and load a page to verify internet access. If pages don't load, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter from Settings for guided fixes. Make sure your wireless drivers are up to date through Device Manager, and restart both PC and router to clear transient issues. If performance is poor, switch between 2, 4 and 5 GHz bands or move closer to the router. A key troubleshooting tip: if authentication fails, retype the password and remove / forget the network before reconnecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.